everyone, my name is Isaiah Katapay.
And my name is Ijay Flora, and we are your hosts for today.
I'm here to talk about Fruit's idea of the id, ego, and superego. Fruit believes our personality is made up of three parts. The first part is id. This is the most basic part. It's unconscious and always wants pleasure right away, like when you're hungry or thirsty. The second part is ego. This part is more realistic and helps us deal with the world and tries to find ways to satisfy the id's desire in a reasonable way. The last part is superego. This is like our sense of right and wrong. It tells us what society expects and pushes us to be perfect. To explain more about this, let's welcome Miss Rafaela Mica C. Villanueva.
My id is always get excited when I see a new bag or a pair of shoes on the market, and my ego kicks in, though, and makes me consider whether I can really afford it or truly need it. Then my superego reminds me to prioritize more important purchases before buying something new.
And on that, everyone experiences the ego and superego different. There's no right or wrong way for those forces to interact on each other. So embrace your own unique dynamic. So wanting those new bag or new shoes is a perfect example of how our desires, practicality, and sense of responsibility constantly battling in out in our mind before we make a purchase.
Thank you for watching. Bye!